के लिए चलते हैं आपको जयपुर, जहां पर आईटी वॉइस एक्सपो 2024 का समापन समारोह आयोजित किया जा रहा है, जिसमें कॉम्प्यूकॉम कॉलेज के एमडी एसके सुराना शिरकत कर रहे हैं।
The next awardee on our list is Mr. Akhilesh Sharma. Akhilesh Sharma sir is the founder and CEO of A3 Logics, a global service provider for IT consulting, offshoring, product engineering and next generation professional services. Sir founded the company in 2003 and is now leading and steering the team built organization serving globally. Next, I would like to call upon Mr. Anshuman Shastri ji. He is the Director of Center for Artificial Intelligence from Vanasthali Vidyapeeth. Sir is a senior member of IEEE, an international officer and skilled in multiple additive manufacturing techniques using low-cost household printers and state-of-art 3D printing machines. Sir is skilled in advanced design system, negotiation, C, C++, Tina and Turbo Pascal and many other IT languages. I'd like to request Mr. Ashwini Kumar Sharma to please line up so that we don't have a delay on our end and as we have a few limited time with our chief guest with us. Sir is an accomplished professional with almost 25 years of experience in various cloud computing roles and diverse industries such as leadership, IT services and consulting. Bootstrapped in IT business during graduation and today, SciFuture is a formidable organization with over 3,500 professionals excelling in AI, ML, blockchain, cloud and BMP sectors. Next on our list is Mr. Balendu Sharma Dhadij. Balendu sir has been associated with Web Dunia and is recognized for his pioneering efforts in promoting Indian language on the internet. Sir's work has significantly contributed to the development of digital content in local languages, making technology more accessible to a wider audience in India. Next on our list is Mr. Bharat Goenka, founder of Tally Solutions Private Limited. On Bharat Goenka sir's behalf, we have Mr. Joyce Reyes, head of sales of Tally Solutions. Bharat Goenka sir is an Indian businessman from the Marwari heritage and the co-founder and managing director of Tally Solutions. Sir has received Padma Shri from the Government of India for his contribution in the field of trade and industry. I think all of us in the auditorium would have used Tally in some time of our life. Next on our list is Mr. Brajesh Agarwal, founder and CEO of India Mart. Sir holds on Mr. Brajesh Agarwal's behalf, we have Mr. Ahmed from Brajesh Agarwal's team to collect the award. Rajesh Agarwal sir has hold master degree in management science from University of Lucknow and a postgraduate diploma in business management. IndiaMart is a commercial B2B platform that has changed the B2B e-commerce landscape. Next on our list is Mr. Manu Agarwal, founder and CEO of Naptol. Sir has started Naptol. Before joining this company, Sir started and worked for companies such as A&M Soft Technologies, Design Expo Network, Wafer Scale Integration and others. Sir holds an engineering degree from IIT Kanpur and master's degree from University of Minnesota. Naptol changed the TV advertisement landscape. After Mr. Manu Agarwal, we have Munesh Jadon sir, founder and CEO of ZNet amongst us. I'd like to request Mr. Munesh sir to please line up for the Rajasthan Ratna Bharat Award. Next on our list is Mr. Pankaj Sancheti, Director of Component Tech Solutions. Sir has an experienced owner of demonstrator of history in working in the computer hardware industry. Sir is skilled in negotiations, sales, business, development, computer hardware and telecommunication. After Mr. Pankaj Sancheti, we have Mr. Parijat Agarwal, co-founder and CEO of MetaCube Software. I request the audience to please keep clapping for our Rajasthan Ratna Bharat awardees. Next on our list is Mr. Pawan Godara, CEO of Dogma Soft Limited. Pawan sir is a result-driven Chief Executive Officer with over 12 years of expertise in the fields of IT, banking, financial and government services. I request Dr. P.M. Bharadwaj sir, who is the next Rajasthan Bharat awardee, to please join us on the stage. Dr. P.M. Bharadwaj is the founder and president of Bharadwaj Foundation. Sir is a national level motivational and management speaker and has been ex-CMD and MD of 4 public sector units. Bharadwaj sir is a graduate from MNIT Allahabad having 45 years of industry experience. Mr. Bharadwaj sir has played diverse roles in the various public sector undertakings. Sir's unique management style and miraculous effect have taken organizations to great effect. I request Dr. P.M. Bharadwaj sir to take 1 minute of his time and request to please sir to address the audience.
जय भारत। देखिए मैं जोर से आवाज आनी चाहिए, इतने युवक बैठे, इतने अच्छे लोग यहाँ बैठे, गुरुजन बैठे हैं। जय भारत। बहुत ज्यादा नमन करता हूँ मैं हमारे विधानसभा अध्यक्ष साहब को, देवरानी साहब को, इंजीनियर साहब को, डॉक्टर डी.पी. शर्मा साहब। एक फोन के ऊपर न्यूयॉर्क से मुझे भारद्वाज साहब ने और टाक साहब ने फोन किया, टाक साहब इधर आ जाऊँ, तब इन्होंने एक फोन पे कहा कि आई विल लीव ऑल द प्रोग्राम्स इन यूएन एंड कम टू इंडिया बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड टू आवर नेशन। जोरदार ताली डी.पी. शर्मा जी सॉरी जनरल साहब और आईटी के दिग्गज और सब गुरुजन। देखिए मैं एक चीज बोलूंगा, ज्यादा टाइम नहीं, 1 ही मिनट का है, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा तो मुझे सुन लेना कहीं कि सबसे बड़े गुरुजन है। राजा कहे कि मैं बड़ा तो हाथी पे क्यों चढ़ा, हाथी कहे कि मैं बड़ा तो पृथ्वी